beginning, the first generation, you said? And then the timeline all the way up to now. See if I can get that.
It's from the Taipei New Year. It just say, oh, this place is over 100 years.
Over 100 years old?
Yeah.
So we are here at a very old store. You can see right here, 1910. So if my math is right, it's 112 years old. We're gonna order their specialty. What is their specialty?
It's called Ba Wan.
Ba Wan.
It's a Chinese meatball.
Taiwanese meatball.
Yeah.
And they also have some weird kind of like, is it like a noodle or just jelly?
Jelly.
Just jelly kind
Yeah.
of thing. So we're gonna get that too. So we're gonna get the thing they're known for.
Yeah.
And something very strange. We're hoping, I'm sure it's good. Taiwan food is good. I'm hoping this one's good. Okay.
How about the one side dish?
Yeah, we'll order a side dish too. Which one?
The deep fried shampoo.
Okay. Go ahead and mark them.
Okay.
All the ones we're gonna get.
Order one deep fried and
Yeah.
one is steamed.
Yeah. And then side dish was
The shampoo.
okay. And then the jelly. The
Yeah.
jelly's gonna be the weirdest one for me, I think. But
Yeah.
it should be cool. I don't know if I've had it before. Okay. Let's get the order.
哦，这里。对不起，
不清楚。
哪一个是
现在好，然后我还缺你一个炸虾枣。好，
All right. That's the jelly, right?
Yeah.
Can you open that? Is it hard to open? Yeah, there we go.
谢谢。
That looks good. Those smell really good.
Yeah.
I don't know what they are.
The deep fried shampoo.
Oh, the deep fried shrimp. Okay. All right. So
This is steamed and the deep fried.
the steamed Taiwanese meatball, the deep fried Taiwanese meatball. I can't really tell the difference between the two. Okay. Let's try that.
Maybe the taste different.
That's what it looks like up close. Okay, let's try it. That was really good. Yeah, go ahead. What was it?
Good.
Good? Okay, let's try the deep. Oop, I broke it. Yep, I made the mess. I'm the messy one in this relationship.
Do you want to use this spoon?
Maybe. If I can break this off. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can get this.
Okay.
Nope. Nope, okay. Alright, so I guess I'm using a spoon. That looks really good.
Different,
Tastes the same.
including the skin.
Maybe this one here, the steam one tastes a little bit lighter, but not too different. Soft.
The steam one.
Let's try the steam one's more soft.
Yeah.
The shrimp are a little bit hot.
Yeah, I can see
Very hot. What is this called again?
the deep fried shampoo.
Oh. The shrimp ball. Not exactly a ball, but it's good. Oh, good, good. Okay. Now you have to try the jelly.
Gochi again.
What?
Gochi. This one is gochi.
Oh. It looks really good.
Yeah. Did you see the jelly?
Very jiggly.
Mm.
Okay, go ahead. How is it?
You might like it. It's
I
very
might like
fresh. Try.
Is it sugary or sweet or anything?
Not too sweet.
What do you think of the shrimp ball? Good, bad? Okay, now I'll try this. How is it? How's the shrimp ball?
Not bad.
Yeah, the jelly's really good. Okay.
Not very sweet, right?
Yeah, not very sweet. It's very fresh. It's a refreshing, like a nice cold drink on summer.
But it tastes different with the ayo.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we finished everything. It was really good. The jelly is really good. Like on a hot summer day like today. Yeah, you
So
gotta get
fresh.
that. Yeah, super fresh. My favorite were these. Which one was your favorite though?
The deep fried.
The deep fried, not the steamed. Do you like the deep fried better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go get dessert. We're gonna go to another 100-year-old place, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's dessert,
Yeah.
shaving ice.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get some shaving ice. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the 100-year-old shaved ice restaurant. We're gonna show you guys hopefully some of that stuff when we get up there to order, but there's a really long line. You can see the line is extremely long. And you can see it's popular because the president came here. And who's the old guy?
The first generation, they just create this store.
So he's the dude that created the store, or family that created the store. So it's still family owned, right?
Yeah.
Wow, still family owned after 100 years. That's awesome.
要什么料？你要3样4样，内要外带，内又要什么料？请说。你可以不要加糖，因为它的料都有。好，1碗就好。好，70，谢谢。来一个8宝内用不加糖，找30啊，稍等一下哈。来，不好意思，再一只好的。谢谢，谢谢。请问后面小姐内用吗？好，再选4样哈。对。来，不好意思哦，忙完你了，谢谢。家庭。
We ordered the classic. You can see it's quite large. Not as big as that one that we ordered that one time in the other video. Maybe we'll link the video at the end, I don't know. But it's still quite big. And there's what, how many toppings? 8 toppings?
Yeah, 8 topping is called a Ba Wan.
Ba Wan?
Ba Wan.
Bao Bao Bing.
Yeah.
Ba Bao Bing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So 8 treasure you said earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, because there's 8 treasures. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Okay, we're gonna try it. Go ahead and take a bite, try something on there.
I will still try the red bean first.
Yeah, red bean's good. How is it? Good?
Yeah.
I will try the oatmeal. Right? It's oats, right? I think it's oats.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks like a peanut. What's that?
Oat.
Oh, okay.
That's really good. Wow. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Let me try this one. What is this one? You know what this is?
Maybe tangyuan or mochi.
I don't know what that is. It's like that holiday
Yeah.
thing that is
The
like,
Lessons Festival.
it'll get stuck in your throat if you don't drink. You need to have a drink with it. But it's really good. And then this pink stuff. It's the pink stuff here.
Maybe taros, tapioca.
Tapioca?
Maybe.
Okay, maybe.
I just
All right.
guessed. Let me try.
Good. It was really good.
Yeah.
That might be the best one. Wow. Okay. We're gonna eat. Okay, we finished. It was really good. I can't remember what we had for toppings, except I really like the one in the middle. The beans were good, but the one in the middle is the best one. Which one did you like?
Taro.
Do you like the taro?
Yeah.
Taro's really nice, like
Yeah.
really rich flavor.
But I think the white one is the peanut.
No, it's oatmeal, I think. It's
Peanut.
oats. Okay, like and subscribe.
Bye bye. See you.